Now, this very early in the morning, we have breaking news. The breaking news comes from a plane crash in Mombasa. Tragedy in the skies. Kenya reels from heartbreaking plane crashing, a devastating blow to Kenya's tourism heartland. 12 lives were tragically cut short when a light aircraft plummeted into the lush Tsimba Golini area of Kwale County on Tuesday morning. The ill-fated Cessna Caravan, having just lifted off from Mombasa Airport, was soaring toward either the bustling streets of Nairobi or the iconic savannas of the Masai Mara when disaster struck. Eyewitnesses describe a chilling scene, the plane spiraling out of control before crashing in a fiery blaze. The victims, believed to be international tourists chasing dreams of African adventure, remain unidentified as authorities work to notify their grieving families. The cause of the crash is still shrouded in mystery, leaving investigators scrambling for answers. Emergency crews raced against time, descending on the wreckage-strewn site amid smoke and twisted metal. The airline, a key player in shuttling visitors between Mombasa and Kenya's most breathtaking destinations, now face intense scrutiny. As the nation mourns, this tragedy cast a somber shadow over Kenya's skies. Now, this news just happened very early in the morning today, where a plane crashed on the hills of Goline. Now, the plane crash has cost the lives of 12 people, majority being the nationals from Hungary and one Kenyan pilot. Remember, this is Imara TV. Remember to like, share, and finally, hit the subscription button. Thank you.